low temperatures. So the plants looks the colors the it's not healthy plants relatively. The colors of the roots and then the leaves are turning to be dark and brown and yellow, and because plants need light and then need enough light, enough waters, and so that's what happens to plant A. It is placed not in the right place. It is placed in the low temperatures, so it turns to the unhealthy.
Okay, so this is the experiment from the book. We just go to the number 7.
Okay, the stem takes in water when it rains falls. Roots take in minerals from the soil. True, each organ has a special function in our body. True, the lungs pump blood around the body false.
Next.
What is the definition of organs? Is organs are body parts that help its functions, like brains, lungs, and then heart, and then stomach and intestines. What are the names of organs that help keep us alive and healthy? The first, brain controls the organs and keeps it by sending message, and then we have lungs to help us to breathe and take in oxygen, and then we have the heart to pump the blood, and after that we have the the stomach to digest the food, and then small intestines to continue to digest the food, and then large intestines to absorb water and nutrients from undigested food and store the undigested food until it passes out. And then what is neurologist? Neurologist is a doctor that treats us with brain and nerves problems. And then what is the name of organs that pumps blood to different body parts? This is heart. Next one. Okay, match the body organs and their functions. Can you use call ups? This one now. Okay, stomach. Okay, stomach to produce substance for digestion, and then heart is to can you pumps blood into body, and then pump the body, and then we have this what is it? Rest of foot organ. Okay, this lump. This is stomach to this. Okay.
Okay, I think this one's better.
Okay, lungs is like this, and then this heart pumps the blood, and then this to absolutely this. Different. Sorry, this organ that produce food. This is lungs to control this, and then this is produce organ that produce the food. This is this control the nervous system. That is right. Which one?
That's one.
Or this?
It produces substance for digestion. Yeah, okay, I think it's clear for this homework. Now we just move to the book. So, for the next week, we will have the science project. So, could you explain about the science project and what is the goal that the students will get from the project?
Okay, for the science project, it's related with our chapter for science. It's about part of the plants. So we will do the experiment like the name of the title is plants drinking. So this is about the part of the plants. It is called as stem. So they will practice with celery, and then along with the food coloring, and then with glass. So students will add the glass with waters, and then add with a bit food coloring. It can be like blue or red, and after that they put the celery stalks in the waters, and then they will leave it for 1 day or 1 night, and after that they will show the look of the celery before and after. Before the celery put in the water with the coloring food, the color is still green, but when they put it in the water with the color with the food color with the coloring food, the stem will change the color become, for example, if the color is blue, it will turns to blue. If the color is yellow, it turns to yellow. From this experiment, student will know that the stem is used to transport water to the part of the body of plants.
Okay, so as the final result later, the color of the plants will
That will change. The color of the stem will change.
based on the water.
Yes, based on the water. That's the process of the stems transport the water to the body part of the plants.
Yeah, I just want to mention here because this project has been done by Primary 5 last time and JS1, and the problem is from the celery. Later, if the celery is not that fresh, there is a small possibility that the experiment will be failed because there is no power. I mean, the celery is not the stem is not that active to absorb the water later.
Can I say that? Can I guess that the celery? Yeah, there are many kinds of celery, right? If
Yeah.
we buy the celery that
The small
the
one.
small or the teeny ones, I think it's not effective. We can buy the big one. I know the big one.
Yeah, and later in the experiment, make sure the stem is not that long because the water need to go through the stem, right? If the
Yes.
stem is that long, there is a small possibility that the water will not reach the leaves.
That's why from the experiment, I have told to the students I will have to cut
Yeah.
yes, the part of the bottom of the
Yeah, and the leaf actually can change in 1 hour. The leaf can change in 1 hour. So I think the experiment can be done in the same day, right? In the same day. So maybe you just if the project will start at 9, you can start the project at 8. So there is the plant have a time to change the color. You know what I mean, right?
Can we have plan A and plan B? So I'm afraid that if it's not
Oh,
effective,
yeah.
so I can prepare by myself at home.
The night before.
So I have 2 plans that, yes, we don't know if something happens later on.
Okay, I
So
see.
I prepare it for the.
Yeah, it's a good option. I think. Yeah, okay. Now we move to math. Here we have a topic about count on and count back. So I just want to ask about this thinking cap.
Okay, how many different ways can you count from 110 to 19? Draw a picture to convince a friend.
Yeah, actually
So-
this one is no need. Just try to explain this one. How many different ways can you count from?
Okay, so if we count from 100 to 90, it means that the number is decreased, right?
Yeah.
So I can make it as a countdown. It means that I have to subtract it. So I can subtract it in tens. So from
Yeah, in
110 become 100 and then become 90 like this.
Yeah.
And then I can also make it from 90 to 110. So it means that I have to count on. It means that I have to add tens in tens. So from 90 to 100 and then 110.
No, I mean here they have determined the number, right? From 100 to 90.
Oh, I see. So the first is like this. The
Yeah,
first-
so there will be any various
Okay,
way.
okay. The first like this, we can count in tens.
10,
Okay, we can count on in ones to can.
in one side,
Ten.
this ones.
In ones, the second count in ones, and then student can count in twos can,
In twos, yeah.
and twos can, three, and twos. They also can count in five to
5. Yeah.
fives.
So there are 4 ways to count from 100
Oh yes,
and
to
10 to 90.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, I think that is all for the books. Maybe we just move to vocabulary list.